Hi, I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Today we're going to have a look at the Yeastar phone system soft client. Now, what that is it's instead of having a physical phone on your desk, we can answer the call and make calls from either our laptop or smartphone, iPhone and Android. And so it makes it very convenient to be able to have essentially a cordless phone in our pocket as we walk around the office or the retail store, or we're out of the office and we can still receive calls. Now, why would you want this? Well, so it makes it easier for you to receive calls, but also placing calls. When I place a call with my Linkus client on this cell phone, it's not going to show the cell phone number of my cell phone. It's going to show the office, the phone system phone number will show up whenever I place calls from this. There's also a lot of features that are on this that are not on your cell phone. So if you answer a call on Linkus from your office and you need to transfer that call, you can do this. You can't do that with your cell phone. If I want to record the calls, if I'm in an important call or it's a legal call, I can easily start recording the call on the Linkus smartphone. So there's a lot of reasons to do this. So let's jump in, but before we do, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/HeliaCanada. Now this video is just for the soft phone on your smartphone, but this application also works on Windows. And so if you're looking for using on Windows, and you do that if you're a call center, check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HeliaCanada, and we've got a separate video for that. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my Android phone here, and if you look in the corner, I've put an icon right here at the bottom. It says Linkus soft phone. So you're gonna open that up, and it looks just like a cell phone app. And I've got my history down here. I have my directory that comes off my cell phone. There's a chat phone in here, and then there's presence and different options. So it makes it really easy for all your employees and people to work on. There's no additional licensing fees for this. Now there is a cloud subscription, which makes it a lot easier for this to operate and get set up, and I recommend that because it's incredibly cheap and it makes your job much easier. We'll cover that as well in another video, but for this video, really easy to set up. And then when I want to make a call, I just go in here and I'm going to phone Donna, 852-5233. It works with your headset as well. And so here's the recording. So I can put this on speakerphone. It's ringing. I can put it on hold, transfer mute, and even record the call. Oh, and she is talking. Donna, let me turn up the volume here. You're on a YouTube video. Yeah. So say hello to everyone on the YouTube.
Hello, everyone on the YouTube.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, Donna. And so that's how easy it is to place a call. She would have seen the caller ID from this phone system and not from my cell phone. I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Thanks for watching. Check out our online store at buyphonesonline.ca for lots of great options of phones and telecommunications and corporate infrastructure IT. I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Thanks for watching.